Krishna says, Partha naiveha namutra vinashas tasya vidyate nahi kalyana krit kaschid durgatam tatagachati. The Lord of Shri said, that's really cool, Shri Bhagavan Vacha. That's interesting. Neither in this world nor in the next world is a devotee vanquished. Anyone who is sincere, my dear friend, walks not the road of misfortune. Oh, that's interesting. Prabhupada's translation, he says, for one who does good, my friend, is never overcome by evil. I rather like that one. But he wanted to make it different. So Arjuna is saying, well, what happens? Krishna, there's a whole group of questions here. Oh, Krishna, what happens to that South Indian Grihastha Brahmin who although he has faith, he doesn't control his senses? What happens to his mind when he falls away from yoga and he hasn't achieved siddhi? And then Arjuna says, isn't he lost? And all his transcendental practices is just like an empty cloud floating in the sky. These are my shamshaya. You're asking the same thing. Please cut through them, for no one other than you can destroy them completely. And Krishna says this, neither in this world now or in the next life is a devotee vanquished. So all compassionate Krishna's heart is going out to Arjuna. He's basically what's Krishna saying? He's saying sincerity is invincible. Nahi kalyan krit kaschit dugatam tattagachi. Anyone who does good is never overcome by evil. With this assurance, one should practice yoga. The verse has the word tata, like we say tatapad. Siddha Krishnadas tatapad means like father, affectionate father. The word tata indicates great affection on the part of Krishna. He's speaking here like as a fatherly guru to his son-like disciple. That's very nice. He's saying, Nahi kalyana krit kaschit durgatam tata gacchati. Tata. My dear friend, kaschit, kalyan krit, anyone who's doing bhakti, that's the greatest kalyan, bhakti, greatest virtuous transcendental activity. Good for you and everyone, the whole world too. Durgatim, they don't go to a bad goal, they don't go to a bad place. They don't face misfortune. He doesn't go there. Nagachati. Tata, hey my friend. So the fatherly guru to the son-like disciple.